Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix guide access not working issue after 17.5 update. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about after updating to the latest version of iOS 17 which is 17.5, they are facing an issue of guide access, that their guide access is not working properly and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video, I will tell you how to fix guide access not working issue on your iPhones. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve many software related issues. To restart your iPhone, you have to open the settings, then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is check your guide access settings. You have to go to the settings on your iPhone, then go to accessibility. Now scroll down and go to the guide access and make sure that it's turned on. You can also review and adjust the guide access settings to ensure they are configured correctly for your needs. After trying these steps and still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply toggle the guide access off and then on again. This can sometimes fix issues with your guide access. To do this, you have to simply open the guide access again. Now tap on it and disable it. Then wait for a few seconds and enable it back. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply go to the accessibility shortcuts and you have to make sure that the guide access is turned on or it's correct. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to simply open the general, scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix iPhone guide access not working issue. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.